How's it going, everybody? Kyle again. Welcome back, fellow YouTube family, or if this is your first time watching, thanks for following along. Today we're going to spend a little time going through the different adjustments of a box blade, how I use them, and maybe how you could benefit from them. We'll do a little demoing over here and some dirt we've been working on. If you guys are watching for the first time, hit that subscribe button. At K6 Outdoors, trying to grow the channel and get a wider audience. And like always, as I mentioned, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up here at the end. There. So stick around and we'll check all this stuff out right after this. So what we got on the tractor here, in a previous video we did a generalized review of this box blade. Now we're going to spend a little time with setting it up, the different adjustments of the top link and some of the lower arms and what it does to the box blade. So what you'll see now is I actually have the box blade tilted at an angle. So what this will do, will actually allow you to put a crown in the road or whatever you're doing. So by adjusting this piece here, you're able to adjust the pitch of the box blade. So by twisting it down, you're actually lengthening out this side and ultimately making the box blade change its angle on the back. So what I will actually do, makes my life a little easier. So you bring the box blade down to where it just touches the ground. The box blade weight is all on the ground. Now you can adjust your 3-point. So by doing that, you can adjust this up and down to accommodate the different heights in the back. So by twisting it this way, you're effectively lengthening the 3-point lift arm on each side. So by doing that, you can make it more even in the back. And then you bring down this lock nut to keep it in place. Ideally, if you're not wanting to put a crown in something, you're gonna want to make sure it's flat. I use a little bubble level to double check that. I've got one extra from when I did a TV mount. So when you're wanting to pull a flat grade, you want to make sure that bubble is flat in the back. And if you're wanting to tilt the blade at an angle, it will dig in more on this bottom side, and then on the top side leave more dirt. So you'll see here, by adjusting this side turnbuckle, I was able to bring the box blade back up to square. So now when I'm pulling, it will pull nice and flat and even behind. Like I said, that adjusts your angle. If you want to put the crown in the road or something like that, it works good for that. Now we're going to go ahead and adjust this top link. So what this does is tilts backwards and forwards the box blade. And so by tilting the box blade backwards, so tilting this cutting edge away from you, I should say, let me rephrase that, by pushing the box blade back like this, it puts that cutting edge on the back more at an angle to where you can dig in. Right now you'll see that edge is sticking up. So by adjusting that, it rotates that box blade down to where it's flat, or you can pitch that blade back so you can push on that back with the back cutting edge. Same is true on the front. If you want to use this front side, you need to shorten your top link so you can use that top cutting edge to dig in the ground. Let's see if I can adjust that so you can see it again. On the outside here, you'll see the box tilt forward, though. So the box will tilt towards the tractor. So by shortening the top link, which brings the box forward, it will allow your scar fires and this front cutting edge to dig into the ground. So here again, I'm going to lengthen that top link out. By lengthening that top link out, I will be able to use that back part of the cutting edge. Take a look out there. While I'm lengthening it, you'll see it tilting backwards. Then I can use the bucket to push with. thanks again for turning into another episode in here on K6 Outdoors. Hope you guys enjoy what you're seeing. If you guys want to see anything different, drop me some stuff down here in the box below. Feel free to go into anything you guys want me to look into. Hope you guys find this helpful, and I know a lot of you like me, you know, either this is your first box blade, or potentially, you know, you never really have used it yet, or maybe we've been using it wrong. This is just a few things that I go through, at least for the adjustment side of things, when I'm doing different work with the box blade. I use it for, you know, doing my driveway. I've used it for, like today, where we were doing grading some dirt out and stuff like that. So far it's been very beneficial to have around the property here, and I would look for it if it's one of those implements that you guys you know, would consider when you're purchasing them, either now or when you're buying a tractor new. So until next time, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, tap that like button, that thumbs up. I appreciate that. It helps the channel a lot when you guys do that. And if you have any comments or concerns, like I mentioned before, put them down here below. And until next time, this is Kyle signing out. I'll see ya.